In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily use Mission Control on your Mac. Okay guys, so here we are on my Mac desktop, and I'm going to show you how to use Mission Control. But before I do, I want to explain a little bit of how it works for people who are new to Mac, because chances are if you're watching this video, you are very new to Mac. So Mission Control is a way to easily organize different windows you have open on your computer between multiple different desktops. Now, this feature has been one of my favorites on the Mac for a very long time because it helps with organization so that you can do multitasking in a really efficient way. So I've got a bunch of applications open. I've got the Finder open, the App Store, Safari, and System Preferences here in this example. And so I have all of these windows open, and normally I'd have to move things out of the way to look at them or minimize windows, which can be really annoying, or I can easily switch between multiple different desktops. So if you're using a MacBook with a trackpad, you can actually take 4 fingers and swipe up on your trackpad to reveal Mission Control. If you don't have that and you're using an iMac, or if you have your MacBook connected to an external monitor and you're using a mouse, then you definitely want to go ahead and add Mission Control to your dock to make it really easy to access. So if I click on Mission Control, as you can see, it now opens up all of my windows in an easy to view format so that I can literally go in and click on the window that I want to see. This on its own is pretty awesome, and if you did want to work within one desktop, you could work within one desktop using the feature like this, or you can work between multiple different desktops. So since I have 4 windows open, I want 4 different desktops. So as you can see, I have desktop 1, 2, and 3 up here, and I want to add a 4th by going to this plus symbol in the corner. So you can really add as many desktops as you want, and you can also get rid of them as you continue your workday if you want to get rid of different ones. What I'm going to do is I'm going to drag the system preferences into desktop 1, drop that in, drag the App Store into desktop 3, and I'll drag the Finder into desktop 4. So now we've got all of our desktops being used by these different applications, and I can go in and click on the desktop that I want to see. Now, if you have a magic mouse, you can take 2 fingers and swipe over to see your other desktops. If you have a trackpad, you can take 2 fingers, actually I'm sorry, 3 fingers, and do this with your trackpad. So if it's a trackpad, it's 3 fingers. If it's a magic mouse, it's 2 fingers. Now, the super cool thing about using Mission Control is your desktops can actually have different wallpapers if you really wanted to. So with desktop 1, if I go into the system preferences here, I could make the wallpaper this. And if I go into desktop 2, or actually I'm using Safari in desktop 2, which takes up most of the screen. So let's do desktop 4. Drag system preferences in here. Now I can change the wallpaper in desktop 4 to this. So as you can see now, desktop 1 has a different wallpaper than desktop 4. So that is really cool, and it's a way to not only be able to use multiple different desktop wallpapers, but also really organize what you're doing on your computer, which if you have a lot of applications open, you know that this can get stressful. So Mission Control is really there to help you become an expert at organizing on your computer. But anyway guys, that is how to use Mission Control, and I wanted to make a video about it because it's a really cool feature that has been useful for me on a daily basis. If you've been using a Mac and you didn't know about it, you're welcome. But anyway guys, if you enjoyed today's video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell, and also please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That way it ranks higher in the algorithm. But until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.